Today, I'm using potatoes and onions to share a very delicious and simple recipe with you. Nutritious, flavorful, and super tasty. Prepare a freshly dug potato and peel off the skin. Then, cut it in half down the middle. Take one half and make 2 diagonal cuts, then slice it into even pieces. Cutting the potato this way creates nicely shaped slices that are both beautiful and delicious. Place the slices into a large bowl. Add a spoonful of white vinegar and pour in an appropriate amount of water to soak the potatoes for a few minutes. Prepare an onion. Cut off the head and tail. Peel off the outer skin, then cut it in half. Slice it into large chunks. After cutting, be sure to close your eyes when handling the onion. Otherwise, it might sting your eyes. Place the cut onion on a plate and set it aside. Take 2 green peppers and cut them diagonally into wedges. Slice some millet peppers thinly. Place the peppers on a plate and set aside. Then, take a handful of garlic, slice it thinly, then chop into minced garlic. Cut a few shallots into chopped green onions. Take a piece of ginger, slice it thinly, then julienne it, and finally mince it and set aside. Next, prepare 2 pieces of pork belly. Peel off the skin and slice the meat thinly. Put the pork belly into a bowl and set it aside. Let's make a sauce. In a bowl, mix a spoonful of light soy sauce, a spoonful of oyster sauce, a spoonful of salt, pepper, sugar, and chicken essence. Stir everything together. By this time, the potatoes should be done soaking. Rinse them to wash off the surface starch, then drain the water. Boil a pot of water, add the potato slices, and cook them for 1 minute. When the water turns clear, take them out. Pre-cooking the potatoes helps them cook faster and taste better later on. Heat oil in a pan and add the pork belly. Fry until the excess oil is rendered. This step enhances the flavor. Then add a spoonful of bean paste along with the chopped green onion, ginger, and garlic. Stir-fry everything together. Pour in the green and red peppers along with the onions. Stir-fry for about a minute, then add the potato slices and the sauce. Stir-fry everything together over high heat for 2 minutes so the ingredients absorb the flavors completely. Once everything is well stir-fried, take it off the heat and serve. The potato slices and fried onions look absolutely delicious. The color is rich and appetizing, and the smell is especially inviting. It's the kind of dish that makes you want to eat 3 bowls of rice. The onions are crispy and flavorful, while the potatoes are soft and savory. Truly delicious. If you like this dish, be sure to save it and try it at home.